Myself, Shalini, along with my team member Gaurav Srivastav, we are here to present the most innovative service for Tata Docomo, which is Route Finder. Most of us travel in our day-to-day life from one location to another, and sometimes, or few of the times, we do not know the direction to the location we are traveling to. So what are the normal ways in which we look for the directions? Either we ask people on the road, or we carry paper maps along with us, or nowadays even we can access directions on mobile. Also, we can have a car navigation device. Tata Docomo brings a new way to access direction on your mobile. What is it which is so unique about this service? This service is for everyone. Yes, what do we mean by everyone? You do not need to have a GPS-enabled device, and neither you need a GPRS connection. So even a feature phone which is not a smartphone or which does not have a data connectivity, you can get directions on that mobile. Auto positioning. As I just mentioned that you do not need a smartphone, so we are not dependent on the GPS capability of the handset. Our location platform automatically detects customer source location. Customer just need to enter the destination location and we deliver the results. Our systems are intelligent enough to identify the source of request. So if request has come from a non-WAP enabled device, we deliver direction in the form of SMS. If the query has come from a WAP enabled device, we deliver directions in the form of a WAP page. You can have a quick look at the way results get delivered. So on the left hand, we can see result is getting delivered in the form of SMS. On the right hand side screenshot, you can say it's mapped on the map in the WAP page, and also you get directions in the text along with it. So what a customer is supposed to do? He is just supposed to send a SMS to a shortcode along with the destination location. A quick look at how it happens. Customer sends a query to a shortcode, request goes to our GMLC platform. GMLC platform sends the customer's source location to Route Finder server. Route Finder server get the request from the customer, maps the distance between the source location, destination location, identifies the kind of handset from where the request has come, and deliver the directions. Some screenshots to help you understand how it happens. So if customer has sent Akshardham to 533331, if there are multiple options available by the same name, we send it back to the customer. Rather than delivering the incorrect direction, we ask for the destination which he seeks the information for. Then customer responds with the option he seeks the directions for, and we revert with the results. What is the impact of this service? Yes, it's a safe and secure service, because as most of the people do not feel safe while talking to strangers on the road. Also, when we know directions, it helps avoiding accidents. Pay only when you get. The most unique feature of the service is you do not need to pay till the time you get directions delivered to your handset. If you are not getting directions by any chance, by any of the technology faults, directions are not getting delivered to you, you will not be charged for it. Few risks which were identified during the product life cycle. When we deliver static maps, it's tough for the customer to understand from where to start the journey. So while delivering the directions, we start the directions from a closest POI. So if I want to go to East Patel Nagar from Eros Hotel, we will say that start from the left side of the Eros Hotel and take a U-turn, rather than saying that, wherever you are standing, you take the left direction. Most of the time, people do not know what they are looking for. As a customer, if I send CP, I want to go to CP. Now, there are three options in Delhi itself by the name of CP: Chittaranjan Park, Connaught Place, and Chanakyapuri. So, where the customer wants to go. In that case, we send him with the multiple options available, and we wait for the customer to respond. Basis his response, we deliver the direction. What are the next steps for this service? This service is already up and running, launched in the market. We are extending the service to enterprise products. We are integrating it with our smart card solution. By doing so, we are extending the service to even non-Tata Docomo customers. A quick look at what is so unique about the service. Accurate and easy to follow, no safety and security concern, no need to buy a GPS device, no need to buy a car device, no need to have a smartphone, and we deliver the customized maps to the customer.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
That's, thank very well, Shalini. Great.